This is a short video to help you get started with Widgit Online. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Documents page. From here, you can create a new document, create a grid, or navigate to and manage your existing documents. The Documents page is divided into two sections to help you find your documents quickly and easily. A folder menu located on the left, and a documents list on the right. Any document or grid you create within Widgit Online is saved to an online cloud space, giving you the freedom to access your account from anywhere with an internet connection. If you have a group account, you will also be able to share your resources with other members of your group using shared folders. When you click Create a Grid, you will be shown over 70 templates which will allow you to create symbol grids for flashcards and vocabulary, activities, timetables and planners, dual language templates, Avery labels, certificates and rewards. Click on any of the grids to open it in the editor and start adding your own content. To start populating a template with your own content, click into a cell and start typing. The text you type will automatically symbolize. You can view and select alternative symbols in the symbol chooser on the right-hand side of the screen. Multiple cells can be selected, allowing you to populate them with the same content. This is a useful feature when creating pairs activities, sticker and reward sheets. With Widgit Online, you have access to all 14,000 widget symbols, but you can also import and use your own images or photographs in your resources. The Grid Editor gives you all the tools you need to customize the appearance of your symbol resources. After editing any of the standard Widgit Online templates, you have the option to save your changes as a personalized template style for future use. Located in the Template chooser, you will also find Custom Templates. These are indicated with a magic wand icon. When you open a custom template, you have the option to change the number of rows and columns contained within the grid to create a resource to fit your needs. From the Documents page, click Create a Document button to create a new document. The simple document creator has a range of easy-to-use formatting features to give your document a professional look. Click and type directly onto the page to see your content symbolized by Widgit's revolutionary smart symbolization system. The Smart Symbolizer analyzes the text you type to help display the correct symbol. In this example, it has detected the verbs and nouns within the sentence and changed the symbols accordingly. As with the grids, you can customize your documents using your own pictures as replacement symbols or images. You can browse all created documents using the Browse All button located towards the top of the page. This will give you a visual view of all the documents saved. Selecting to view through the Browse menu will load your resource with a basic user interface which gives you access to text-to-speech features, which you can use to read the document aloud.
Waves are made when wind blows the sea.
This read-only format is perfect for users wanting to view and interact with your resources on tablet devices.
hungry, thirsty,
The Dual Language Feature Pack can be added to your Widgit Online account to allow you to create dual language resources in minutes using easy-to-use templates. Quickly type in the vocabulary you require and add the translation at the touch of a button. With over 80 languages available, instantly create a range of resources to support users from different countries. Use the available voices to hear your documents spoken out loud.
Która godzina? Mogę napić, proszę?
The dual language templates will support children with English as an additional language, aid modern foreign language teaching, display regional languages. For more information about how to use Widgit Online, please visit the Help Centre or give us a call.